Hi, welcome in. This is Mindy. I am CNY Woman, and you found CNY Woman Enjoys Yarn Therapy. I thought I'd record a little update of what's going on. And if you would like to find out more, please subscribe to my channel. You will get notifications when I go live. I won't be going live for a while until after Easter. I gave up lives for Lent. Lent is kind of just an excuse. I was getting a little bit burned out with the lives, so that's why I gave them up. I also deleted the lives from my channel. I don't think people go back and watch them. And there was really no reason to have them on there, so I just permanently deleted them. So no biggie there. This is the yarn I'm using. I'm using Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing in the color dark blue. Looks like this. The blanket that I started looks like this. I just started the second skein right here in the light part, but it goes from dark to light. And then I'm starting the next skein on the light side, going to dark in the middle, and then I'll go to light again, and then I'll go to dark. So it takes 4 skeins. The pattern is by MJ's Off the Hook. It is called the 2-day blanket throw, and it does take more than 2 days, unless you are a speedy crocheter like Juan Yarn Addict or somebody like that. It uses a size 9mm crochet hook, and that's it. I probably won't be doing lives this week. As you can see, I'm at an alternate location for the week. Friends are out of town. I am hanging out with their 14-year-old daughter, who's my goddaughter. So I will not be doing lives because I'll be hanging out with her after work. I work Monday through Friday, so she has the week off from school. She needed somebody to hang out with her. It's not babysitting because she's old enough to stay by herself during the day. She's on a band trip this weekend, so she is not at home. She'll get home Monday afternoon. So, and the lives wouldn't be that exciting anyways, because all I would be like is, I went to work, I came home, I crocheted. I brought 3 projects with me. I brought this blanket, which is, again, MJ's Off the Hook 2-day throw blanket with 4 skeins of Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing. I brought a baby blanket that uses 2 skeins of Bernat Blanket. It's the ripple pattern that I always use. I started it at the Super Bowl party last weekend and kind of did not work on it during the week at all. And then I have a third project, which is a baby blanket out of Bernat Forever Fleece. I have 4 skeins of that, and I'm just doing half double crochets with a 9mm hook. The ripple blanket takes an 8mm hook, which is a size L. This is a size M. And I'm using a Prim ergonomic hook, as you can see. This is my preferred hook. I have a set of small sizes, I have a set of large sizes, and I have multiples of the large sizes. I did order some metal hooks, but they're like Aileen or something along those lines. I can't remember the name brand of them, but it's a brand off of Amazon, and I think they were like $13.99 for the larger sizes, and they go up to a 15mm, I believe. I think they started at a 7mm and then go up to a 15mm. So I thought having those as a backup might be good. And there was a pretty cheap aluminum set, but it's good. No snow here this weekend. We had a little bit of snow last night. It's not terribly cold, so that's good. I'm planning on going out with a friend tomorrow sometime, hopefully. Although he did try and contact me today, but I had my phone in my purse and didn't see the text for like 3 hours. I went to Ollie's today. I can tell you, my Ollie's had yarn. They had juicy couture yarn. They had the thin chenille, and then they had the thicker chenille. The thin stuff was $2.99. I think the thicker stuff is $4.99, although I didn't really look at the prices all that much because I was like not really interested in the juicy couture yarn. Just not my thing. And they had some of the easy stripes yarn and the easy yarn solids still left. So I had seen a video where some people had gotten crochet hooks, the Pioneer Woman crochet hooks, for like $2.99 for the entire set, and I was hoping they were going to have some of those, but they didn't. So, but that's not a big deal because I have crochet hook sets at home that I use, and I usually don't use a whole lot of those smaller sizes anyways. I actually use the larger sizes more because I use Bernat blanket quite a bit. I ordered yarn from Hirschner's because they have 14% off and 14% shipping. I think the code is LOVE26. Might be only good for today, the 14th. I know it was Good Friday. On Friday. It was good on Friday. So I used it then. What did I order? I know I ordered something. I might not have ordered anything from Hirschner's. I might have ordered from Mary Maxim. Yeah, I ordered from Mary Maxim because Mary Maxim has 75% off shipping. So I ordered 2 balls of sock yarn and a knit gauge. The Susan Bates knit gauge that has, you know, like the gauge for knitting needles and crochet hooks. And then the sock yarn was like $3.99 for Patton's Croy. So that's a really good price. So I bought 2 balls to make a pair of socks. And then I ordered yarn from Premier Yarns because on Friday, Creative Grandma had a code that was only good from like noon to 9 that night. And I found out about the code at about 8:45. And I looked on the sales and they had 3 colors of Premier Puzzle for 3 for $16, a bag of 3 for $16. And I use that for my corner to corner baby blankets. I use about 2.5 skeins. So that was perfect. So I bought 2 colors and got free shipping. So I paid $32 for it. Because I know that's yarn I'll use right away. And I will show that yarn on the channel when I get it. I am only allowed to buy yarn in small quantities if I show it on the channel and use it right away. And I don't really need to buy yarn. As we talked about, I really don't need to buy yarn. So it was kind of a reach. But the puzzle I liked, and there were colors that I haven't seen before. One was Tag that had some pinks and purples in it, and one was Citrus that had some yellows and oranges in it, and it looked really pretty. There were colors you can't get at Walmart, and it was a price that is less than you would pay. Well, it was $2 less than you would pay for 3 of them at Walmart, because at Walmart you pay $5.98 a piece. They haven't raised the prices on those yet. They have raised the prices on their Bernat blanket yarn up to, I believe, $11.99. They've raised their prices on their Mainstays yarn a little bit. So check your prices, because you're not paying $9.98 anymore for Bernat blanket. You're paying $11.99. And the other yarn I got in and did a short on was the new variation of the yarn that is Ethereal Stripes. That's the dog in the background barking at something unknown. Ethereal Stripes, which has a whole bunch of stripes, so check out that short. And that is about all I have to report. I will probably do a video next weekend showing all the blankets that I'm going to donate, because I have a lot of blankets. One of them went to my goddaughter's drum line to be donated, her band. They're having a home show, and they're doing like raffles or like a silent auction type of thing. And her mom asked me if I had a blanket that was available, because somebody had asked her if she could crochet one. She's like, not that fast, but my friend probably has one. So I had this kind of blanket, but in deep teal. So I donated that. So that'll be good. You know, hopefully that'll fetch a little bit of money for them. And that goes directly to the drum line itself. So that's awesome. So I'm glad I could help out. And that's about it, folks. Again, my name is Mindy. I'm from Syracuse, New York. You found CNY Woman Enjoys Yarn Therapy. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you next week.